Welcome to BI Knowledge Point. Today I am here to explain you in Tableau what is the sets and group function. Let's begin. So this is my Tableau desktop. Now I am going to create one simple report. Now see, I came here. This field is customer name. So first I will show you what is the use of set. So I will just go right click and then create and then option select set. In this set what we can do, we can select top 5 customer by sale. So set name, set 1, condition top, by field I will take 5, I don't have 5, and then category wise I will take sales column. Okay, now okay, so this is set features. Now another features I am going to explain you about the group. So for grouping what we require, right click on field name and then go to create and select group. Here what I am going to do, I am going to grouping by alphabetically. So A I am going to keep in one group, so I am writing here group name A and then selecting all customer name alphabet with A. So just dropping and dragging till A. See, this is my one group, apply and OK, and then I am going to create another group which start from B. So creating another group similar way, cursor taking here on B till here, and OK, apply and OK. Similar way we can create C, D, everything like that. Okay, so now I am going to show you first features. I am going to take set 1 and then cell. So see, or in this what happened in cell, like a top 5 that is comes like a in and another field comes under out. So see, we can see here in and out. This is the feature of set. Now I'm going to remove this one and then I will show you about grouping. So now see, in grouping what I am just going to take here alphabetically start from A. So see, now we can see customer which belongs to alphabet A, that only here you can see. So that's all for today video. Catch you in the next video. Please like and subscribe my channel.